Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where creativity meets professionalism. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design a stunning roll-up banner that's perfect for promoting businesses, events, and campaigns. Whether you are a designer seeking fresh ideas or someone who wants to understand the design process, you are in the right place. I will guide you to step by step through creating a banner that's eye-catching, informative, and impactful. By the end of this video, you will have all the tips you need to design a roll-up banner that stands out. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. After create a page for a roll-up banner design, give the page a color in lighter shade of brown, and from the element, let's search for a shape. Search an irregular shape. Let's take this shape and adjust it on the left corner of the page. Copy this and place the copy one under the main shape, and for the frame search a coffee picture. Adjust the shape and the picture together. Make the shape color in deep brown. Keep this photo. Take a text box and type anytime and go to the effect and make it a curve. Take another text box and type anywhere. Adjust the curve according to the shapes. Change the font type. Take a text box and type the text. Change the font style in something different. Keep this font style and change the color and give it an effect from outline. Again, search for an irregular shape from the graphics. Let's take this shape and adjust it all over the lower part of the page. Change the color in dark brown and paste another one and adjust it under this. From the element, let's take this round frame, adjust it horizontally. Now from the element, take a coffee pictures and adjust it with the frame. Give the all frame a border. From the element, let's take this line and adjust it of the middle of the coffee pictures make it dotted and place it under the coffee. Now from the elements, search coffee elements, some coffee beans for a decoration. Now decorate the page. Place the coffee right there. Make some coffee beans blur. Now from the elements, search for a coffee logo. Place the logo on the right corner and take a text box, type the name of a cafe shop. Change the font style. Make the coffee beans blur behind the text. Keep it behind the text. And now take these two shapes and change the color in white and put it on the lower section of the page like this. From the elements, search for a mobile logo. And a web logo. Adjust it over the shapes. Now take a text box and type the mobile number and the website address. Change the color. Take a text box and take this shape and adjust it under the every picture, and take a text box and type the coffee names. Here it is, a roll-up banner design for a cafe. If you need this kind of roll-up banner design or any other design you have, like a brochure design, flyer design, logo design, presentation design, annual card design or magazine design, please contact with us. Our contact details are attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.